Okay, good afternoon to all and welcome back to this webinar on 3D experience. So we are going to see today in this webinar, is the 3D experience for you? Most of SolidWorks users have heard that the 3D experience platform is being launched. So let's check, is it SolidWorks or 3D experience? So myself, I am Rajesh Celestine. I'm an application engineer and I work for Atpata. Okay, in this webinar, what I'm going to show you is what is this platform? What is the 3D experience platform? The top 3 reasons to switch over or to choose the 3D experience platform. And I will be answering some common questions. And then we will see a sample project workflow with the 3D experience apps and with the solutions on 3D experience. And then we will see the packages and purchase. Okay, so 3D experience is a cloud-based design. So actually, we have all the products of the Dassault systems. So all the brands of Dassault systems are brought onto one single platform, which is called the 3D Experience platform. So here we have social and collaborative apps. We have 3D modeling apps. We have simulation apps, information intelligence apps. So we can see these are the various brands of Dassault system products, and they are brought onto one platform where this gives you the whole solution to your industry. So I have heard some users which say that okay, so there are some features with CATIA. Because of this, it is a challenge, really a challenge to choose between SolidWorks and CATIA. But as you see here, even the CATIA brand is involved in the 3D experience platform. So you can choose features from different brands. Okay, so what is a 3D experience platform? So as per Dassault system, this is actually a business experience platform. Okay, it provides the software solutions for every organization in your company, that is from engineering to marketing and sales. So this 3D experience platform works on a named user licensing. It's a login, and there is no serial number or activation required for this. It has one user interface, one login that gives you access to multiple apps and roles that collaborate with each other on any device. And this works on a browser. So usually when we talk about collaboration, when we talk about project planning and so on, most of us, what we do is we use the existing system. Like we see here, we have a Dropbox, we have a Google Drive. So usually to share files, we use these apps. Whereas in the platform, we have the 3D Drive. For project planning, usually we have the Microsoft projects, Asana, various other softwares which we use for project planning. But on the platform, we have Innovia, which is having the project planning app. And then we use for collaborating usually to send files to the assigned person, to collaborate, to check if the task is completed, we use Outlook. So here we have 3D Swim, which is something very similar to social collaboration like your Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on. Okay, before I could proceed, I need to ask you, I need to know that what do you use to collaborate with your team to manage your products? Are you still using the traditional method, or are you using the project management software? So what I will do here is I will launch a poll. I need you to answer this poll just to get an idea of what you are actually using for your So around 57% have voted. Let me wait. Please vote for this poll. Okay, good. So let me close this poll and let's see the results. So usually I see 100% using traditional method of working with teams. Okay, so in this webinar, we will see how we collaborate on the 3D experience platform. Okay, so let me highlight top 3 reasons. There are many reasons for working with a 3D experience platform, but let me highlight some of them. So the top 3 reasons. So first thing is the collaboration. Always it's a challenge to collaborate with your team to assign the proper documents to the right person. Okay, to share ideas, to share knowledge sharing, brainstorming. So we need a team collaboration. So with the 3D experience platform, team communication, team collaboration with the Swim app is possible. And you can avoid messy email inbox. So many of times we say we forgot to reply to a mail. Yeah, we missed out this mail. We missed out the attachment. So this will give you a solution where you can have a proper working culture, where you can add the proper way of how you work. You can define the proper way of how you work and communicate with your emails with the 3D experience platform. And on the overall, it will give you a good company culture and a better teamwork. So I've taken from McKinsey, I've just taken just a saying, like I just took an analysis, a statistics of what happens. So if you see here 20 to 30%, there is increase in productivity when you switch over to the cloud. So the benefits of online. Okay, and 83% of employees depend on technology for collaboration. Okay, another reason is cost. So a challenge here, what we see is we have to buy a proper server. There is a cost involved. We have to have a IT maintenance cost, IT budget. So you can avoid most of this. So you can reduce this. So as the platform acts as your server, so the platform itself is your server. IT and maintenance server costs are reduced. Okay, regarding automatic updates. So when there is an update, again, we have to have a schedule for updating the software. So this update is required only for the client. And whenever there is an update on the 3D experience platform, it will be intimated in advance and it's just as a click of the button. So you just click, you download the file and it updates the software for you. And you have the 3D drive to store your files. So this is one advantage. And this 3D space, most of us have heard of PDM. So where it manages the references, it manages the links and so on. So this 3D space, we call it a 3D space where you can store all your parts, assembly and drawings. So the 3D experience platform understands the whole document management system. So here we see a average of around 20, 50, 16%. I can say 16% improvement by using the cloud option. And then we see around 15% reduction in the costs. So this is just a statistics, what I have to, what is the business impact of the cloud? Okay, another reason here. Now, I can take ownership of files. How do I control my files? So PDM, product data management or a document management is already inbuilt into the cloud. So say ownership of files. So when you take ownership of a file, no one else can work on it. So it says in work. Okay, then you have revisioning. It maintains your versioning. So automatically it takes care of what you are doing. So how the document should be processed, how it should be saved, or how it should be moved. And whenever you start a file, you start it in work. And then if you want to go to manufacturing state, if you want to go to a frozen state, obsolete state. So this is also available with the 3D experience platform. So taking care of documentation is quite easy. Another challenge what we have is before starting a project, we need to plan a project. So we have the project planning app. So what I need is I need to track the project. I need to track the progress, who's working on what, resource management, and who's assigned to the particular job, what is the team. So all this can be done with a simple project management app. So this will save you a lot of benefit by doing this document management, because we spend a lot of our time every day working, searching documents, revisioning, not giving the right document, errors. So you can avoid all this. Okay, some common questions. Now, you might have a question like, what is the hardware I need to run my 3D experience platform. So here we have it is a your system should be compatible with the cloud. So I've given the link here. There is a lot of information in this. So when you check your system for cloud compatibility, it will download an app and you have to run this app, and it gives you the details of your machine. It tells you if your machine is compatible or not, or what should be rectified with your machine. Yes, we need certified workstations, which is certified by SolidWorks, because a part of SolidWorks is installed on your machine, on the local machine. The rest is on the cloud. Okay, and the compatibility tool is only with the client and not with the server. Yes, you need an internet connection. So I need an internet. You need an internet compatibility with a bandwidth of around greater than 4 Mbps and a latency of around less than 350 milliseconds. So this is the minimum requirement. So you have to have a good internet connection. More information, I have shared the link here, and you can go to this link and check out the details of your of the requirement of the internet. Is my data secure on the cloud? Yes, there are different layers of security where we have internet security and compliance with the industry standard of ISO 2700, in cloud security, application level security, virtual system security, and physical security. So a lot of layers where even Dassault is having their products online. So the whole system is secure. Okay, another question here is, will we have to create our models on the platform or on the cloud? Is it always necessary to create, is always required to create my models on the cloud? Not necessary. As SolidWorks Desktop is also integrated with 3D Experience platform, you can store it, you can store your file or create your files local, as well as you can put it on the cloud. So in our packages, actually we have some basic packages. In the basic packages, we have this 3D Sculptor. So 3D Sculptor is a role which you have Xshape as an app. I will be explaining what is a role and an app. Okay, so where you can create shapes. And then we have 3D Creator, which is a mechanical parametric software on the cloud, which is having XDesign. So these are some of the benefits you will get with the cloud modeling, and much more apps. I'm just highlighting 2 apps here. Okay. Now, whatever I explained, I just want to show you a sample project workflow. Now I have a PCB. So in this case, what I'm going to do, we have to design an enclosure for a PCB. I have a PCB here. So I need to create an enclosure for this PCB. So this is my design task. So what I have to do is create a concept design, complete the design. Then I have to give this part for a 3D printing to 3D print the component. And then I have to send it for client approval. So this is 3 days. In 3 days, I have to accomplish this task. So I will show you how we can accomplish this task on the 3D Experience platform. So how we design that, how we assign the task to the assigned person, collaborate with the team, and creating shapes, not with the traditional use of SolidWorks surfacing. So I'm going to use the X shape in this case. And then I'm going to monitor tasks and schedules to see that if my project is completed on time, and I'll make sure the right files are assigned and delivered. So the delivery is also important. So here I'm starting with SolidWorks. So here if you see the PCB is designed with SolidWorks. So like I told you, the collaborative designer for SolidWorks is integrated with 3D platform. And now I can save my SolidWorks files to the cloud. Now saving the files to the cloud also has a dedicated space. So I have a dedicated space where I can put my files. So there's a collaborative space. I can save my files into that collaborative space, and anytime I save it, it goes there. Now this is the document management. So I can reserve the files by me. So it says it is in work, and this file is reserved by me, and no one can edit this file. And we have work states here, like you see here, in work, frozen, released, obsolete, and so on. So once if the drawing is released, it will create a new version automatically. This is my dashboard of the 3D Experience platform, where I collaborate as a social collaboration in sharing concepts, files, and so on. So you can configure your dashboard to whatever requirement you need. I have my project documents. Now I should make sure, as I'm designing the enclosure for the PCB, I should make sure that the required file has to be I'm bookmarking this file actually here. So a bookmark is nothing but you can have quick access to any file. So once I create a bookmark, this is the file which I am going to start with. So I'm adding this file to the bookmark. So once I add this file to the bookmark, I'm going to define my project schedule. So what I'm going to do first, my tasks. So I'm going to create a task where I'm going to create my PCB design, enclosure design, add the related file. So the person who is assigned to this will get it's easy for him to pick the related file and start working with. And here I also define the assignee. So this can be done with the Innovia project planning app. So you can see here I have tasks. I can check the schedules. So similar way, after the design, this product has to be 3D printed. So I'm again doing the same process again. I'm defining my duration, defining the assignee, and once the design is over, I will be sharing these files as a deliverable for 3D printing. Okay, so in the similar way, let me add the next task. So I'm going to send this for a client approval, and I complete my task. So here we see the schedule. So I can also drag this on screen and I can reschedule it. Okay, and here in the tasks, I have 3 tasks here, which is assigned to me. I have a summary which shows me what are the tasks assigned or how many tasks are there to complete this project, what is the duration, what is the resource used to this. So how many resources is allotted to this project. So who are the members? All of them will be listed in this. And you see the content has the respective file needed for the design. So when I start my design, I drag it from the to-do list to the inward. So once you start it, now I'm using the cloud app which is Xshape to start my shaping design. So this is just a very intuitive workflow. So users with SolidWorks knowledge can use this workflow, and it's a very short learning curve. So you see, I drag my PCB into Xshape, and from here I start creating my design. So this starts with a primitive, and you can see here I can select vertices, edges, faces, and I have a robot tool where I can easily shape my component. This kind of method is actually is not possible to do with your traditional modeling of SolidWorks surfacing. So I am not going into detail with the Xshape. So you can see here, it's very easy for me to create my shaping. And after creating my shaping, you can see I've designed the bottom cover and the top cover of my part. So this is with XDesign. So I am collaborating from SolidWorks to Xshape to XDesign. So I have a beautiful design which is completed. And now once I complete my design, I can add these files to the deliverables. So once I'm done, let me double click on this file to check it. So when I double click the file, it automatically opens the 3D play. So this is a viewer, like we have eDrawings, we have a viewer which is in the 3D experience platform to view your files. So as you double click your file, you can view the files on the cloud. So you can see my top cover and the bottom cover, which is design. So once I've completed my task, I move it to the completed state. So after moving it into the completed state, I will start assigning the deliverables here. So here we have the deliverables. Just pick your files and drag and drop it in your browser. It is so easy and organized to work with the 3D Experience platform. A simple intuitive workflow. So if you see here, my schedule, when I check my schedule, 1 task has been complete, 2 more are pending. So the grade 1 is complete. So if you see my task, I have 2 more tasks. And the similar way, I can just drag my to-do task from my task to do and drop it into in-work. And then you can see the schedule. It shows that now the work has started. Okay, so I complete all my tasks. And now if I check the summary of what I've done, so you can see all are grayed out. So all my tasks are complete. And then if I go to the summary, it gives me a summary of the whole process. So I can see here 3 tasks completed, 1 resource, the time taken to complete this task, and what the deliverable. So it tells me there are 2 deliverables in this. So this is just a sample of the project management app. If I go to the content, you can see the parts which have been delivered are also added into the content. So it's a ready access for me at one location to get the files. Okay, now I need to create a drawing for this particular component, which is the top cover and bottom cover. As SolidWorks is integrated with the 3D Experience platform, I select the SolidWorks linked icon, and you see it initiates or it starts the application for SolidWorks. Now, to work from the platform to SolidWorks, I just drag the part and drop it into SolidWorks. So once I drop it into SolidWorks, you can see this is a cloud. This is coming from Xshape and Xdesign. So SolidWorks understands the format, understands the component, the architecture of the product, and so on. So this is just your traditional tool. So I'm trying to do some detailing in SolidWorks. So let me complete my detailing very quick. So let me add the height, okay, some thickness, the boss diameter. And once I complete this, I can save this to the cloud. So I've completed my drawing, and I have an option here where I'm saving this to the cloud. So you can see here the revision. It takes care of the revision. It takes care of the collaborative space. If I want, I can add a comment for the revision. And this PCB enclosure is my collaborative space, and click save. And my files have been saved to the cloud. So this gives me a perfect workflow from when I'm going to assign my jobs. And once I've added this drawing to the cloud, I can drag this and drop it into my contents. So I have all my contents in one single place. So very neatly organized for doing your projects. So here we use different apps to create it. And this is only a sample. So what I've shown you here is just only a sample. Okay, I have a question for you. This was a challenge for most of the designers. So when you see these shapes, actually most of the design, they get, they always think, how do I create it with traditional SolidWorks surfacing? So I just want to know which software do you use for your design shapes? Do you use the SolidWorks surface modeling, traditional surface modeling, or do you have some other solution with you? So I will launch a poll, and I would request you to participate in this poll by selecting which app you use, or do you use SolidWorks traditional surfacing to create this? So I will be waiting for others also to participate. Yes. Okay. Okay. I think it's done. So, okay, we have 59% who say that we are using traditional SolidWorks surfacing, which is really a challenge to create surfaces of this shape, styling shape. Surfaces are really a challenge to do it with traditional surface modeling. Okay, so 59% of SolidWorks users are using the surface modeling. 41% are using other products to do it. But remember, when you use other products, this can be done on a single platform without any export and import. Okay, coming to the packages. So let me come to the packages here, what we have. So what I showed you was just the tip of the iceberg. It's only the tip. It's just a very small demonstration of the 3D Experience platform. What we have here is we have SolidWorks Desktop plus the platform. So we have social collaboration apps. We have business innovation apps. So as we all usually we have heard that SolidWorks Standard, SolidWorks Professional, SolidWorks Premium. So the similar way we have 3D Experience SolidWorks Standard offer, we have 3D Experience SolidWorks Professional offer, and the 3D Experience Premium offers. So the collaborative business innovator, if you see, it is a base, it's the base of the platform. The collaborative industry innovator and the collaborative business innovator are the base for all three platforms. And above this, you have very similar features to SolidWorks Standard, SolidWorks Professional, and SolidWorks Premium. And also we have Collaborative Designer for SolidWorks to collaborate with your desktop version and the cloud. So to integrate your desktop version with the cloud. It is not necessarily required that you convert it fully to the cloud with SolidWorks connected, but you can have an integrated SolidWorks with the cloud. And on top of this, with the standard offer, what we have is we have the 3D creator, which is called XDesign. So it is nothing but it's a 3D parametric role on the cloud. It's a cloud-based parametric software, very similar to SolidWorks. And then you have the 3D sculptor, which is where you create these shapes. So whatever shape I created about the enclosure was with the 3D sculptor, which is called X-Shape. It's an X-Shape app. So the 3D creator is included in all three offers. And the 3D sculptor, which is called X-Shape app, is included with the professional and the premium offer. And remember, we only sell roles. You cannot buy individual apps. So what is app and what is role? So minimum role here is required is the collaborative business innovator. And if you see the app for X-Shape or the role for X-Shape is called the 3D sculptor. And if it's the project planner, then you have project planning app. So the project planner is the role. So the benefits, what is the benefits we see here? We see a lot of benefit with business collaboration. You can bring your team together. You can bring the right people together, share information. You can work on any design. You can work on your designs anywhere, anytime, on any device, even your mobile. So this requires just the browser. And this gives you a solution for every part of your organization. Like I told you, from your marketing, sales, design, purchase. So all your departments can collaborate. So all the brands from Dassault System products are brought onto one platform. You can monitor resources, project tasks, schedules, what is the progress of your project, and much, much more. On the whole, you save on cost. There's another question. So most of us ask, like, who have implemented a 3D experience? So who wants 3D experience? How do I implement? Does anyone use 3D experience? So you can go to our website, and I have got around 100 results here who are using 3D experience, who have worked on the 3D experience platform. So you can see their feedbacks. You can check their feedbacks. Just do a filter of 3D experience, and you can check on different industries. You can check on the industry related to yours, and find out the feedback. What is the benefit they had on the 3D experience platform? So with this, I complete this webinar. This is just a brief of the 3D experience. So more webinars will be coming every month, where I will be showing you different ways of collaborating with a 3D experience platform. I'll be working on different apps with different designs, and which can give you a clear insight of why you have to use a 3D experience platform. So now is the question and answer session. If you have any questions, yes, you can ask me. I can take it online, or if required, you can send me a mail also. I can reply to your mail. Feel free to contact us for any demonstration or any information regarding 3D experience platform. Okay, you can ask your questions now. Any questions? There's a private chat also. You can type in your questions, raise your questions, and I'll be glad to answer you. Okay, I have not got any questions. So with this, I'm closing this webinar. So another poll question here. Now, whatever you have seen, you would like to have more information. Might be you might have to check if this will be suitable for your industry. You might have to have a demonstration. So you can feel free to contact us. So how do we connect with you? So you can. I will just put a poll. So please vote for this. We will be interested to share more information about the 3D Experience platform. And when we complete our webinar, also you can put your remarks saying that what you need to see with the 3D Experience platform. You send us a mail. Okay, I think it's done. Thank you so much for voting on this. Okay, so let me close this, and we will get in touch of you. So most of you require information on this, and I believe I can share the results of the poll. Okay, so you can, we will get in touch with you for those who need information, who need a demonstration. Yes, we will contact you. We will study your industry workflow, the apps required for you, and we will provide you the best solution with 3D Experience. So thank you so much. I have my mail ID here, which is support@atmata.ae. Do feel free to contact us anytime for any demonstration, any information required. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in the next webinars. Goodbye. Take care. Bye-bye.